We're over here looking at this 60 ragtop that I ended up buying. It's just amazing. And he has a 66 hardtop bug, all original paint that he's selling. What were you want for this thing?
2,000. Sunroof.
2,000 bucks, sunroof car. I mean, look at this motor. It's all original paint. You could patina ride this car totally. Now, there's a lot of good stuff, but there's a couple bad things. We're going to go over those things in a second. So it's got all the really cool stuff, original hubcaps, original wheels. You know, those are 2-year only wheels. So you got original paint on the interior. This could be patinaed out really nice. And these things, they don't come around that often, but of course you can see there was moisture going on inside the car. We're going to show you that in a second, but we're going to kind of go over the positives first so that you don't just go, oh my god, that's too much work or whatever, man. So it's worth doing. This thing's worth, if you want to make a patina ride, this is where to go right here, man. Check it out. It's got all the original stuff under the hood. Everything's there. It's like this car just got sat somewhere underneath here. All original paint. Original paint. Everything. Now this got kind of crusty, so you could change the top bar. Leave it alone. You know, leave it original. Or just leave it like it is. Maybe do some paint touch up. Get some color match. Put a windshield in it. You know, a couple things like that. Okay, this fender here could be banged out. You could straighten this out really nice if you wanted to. And just kind of do a little touch up, maybe make a spray can of the color, have an eye matched at a body shop, or if you can do that yourself. They got a little dent there. But the only thing that's really bad on this car, and it's pretty bad, is the pan halves are completely wiped out. Okay, they are wasted. So both pan halves would have replaced, and both heater channels are really bad. So the heater channels are really bad, but something like this patina. So if you know how to weld, or you maybe want somebody who knows how to weld, you could actually make a really cool patina car. And look at that. I was telling Chris that middle part was solid, and I am right. It has a little press thing. It does have the original crank for the sunroof. I'm sure that they're stuck. You have to do some work. It would take some work to get this car back on the road. But look at the inside. It's just cool. Original seats. I think they're in pretty good shape. Well, just need some tops on them. You could probably clean these up really clean. And, you know, put these together. Even if you did the seats and with the new TMI stuff, it'd match right up with this. Pretty close to the off-white. Looks like the right color, and just maybe patch up the back, make it all original looking. It'd be so cool. This is a really cool car for patina to restore. Oh, look at this original Volkswagen. I bet you there's a VW stamp right here. Original rubber on the door. Very rarely ever see that, but something happened and it just leaked water, and it got sat in the car and wiped out the lower parts of the car, which is unfortunate. But I bet you, other than that, I bet you this car, you could do a little bit of tinkering on the motor. It does turn over. It could be running, and it's all 6-volt. It could be all original. All right, really neat thing. Let's take a look at it from far away. Let's take a look at this corner. I like to show the far away stuff. Look at that. Nice looking bug. You just don't see that stuff very often. And no, the single cab is not for sale. But check that out. Alright, so talk to you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Talk to you next video.